Welcome back, students. Hope you all are doing well, keeping sound health. This is your Jntuh R18. Upon the request of many students on the YouTube as well as on my Insta page, many students were asking me to work out the important questions for the course Airport, Railway and Waterways for Jntuh under R18 regulation for civil engineering students. Have come up with few important questions, as well as I have done a video on how to take the short questions as well as how to take the theory paper in the end examination to score a better mark. A video is being posted in my channel and it is being highlighted in my playlist. Please go through it and watch. If you're taking any theory paper, dear students, have come up with very important and gunshot questions. As the course is too lengthy sometimes in certain units, you are supposed to work out each and every parameter where I'm highlighting in form of short and long questions. The factors to be considered in selection of airport size is said to be one of the topmost question. Later, the windrows diagram and run related to runway orientation is said to be the gunshot question, which can give you in form of 2AB. Dear students, as you know, the long question starts from 2 to 11 and it is a combination of 2AB. I do not expect direct 10 mark question. Factors affecting the site selection for airport may be the short question. Aircrafts characteristics also may be the short question this time. The short questions are from A to J, which is of 2 and 3 combination, and the other question I can give you is the corrections to be made in selection of airport length from different perspective is said to be the topmost question, which may occur in 3A or 3B this time. Precision and corrections to be made to the measure runway length and the layout of airport and the functionality of each component as well as facility provisions is said to be the topmost question. Do not expect the 3A and B from here. That may be from this split also. That's the reason I'm letting you and highlighting you to work out each and every parameter. You are supposed to work out either 2A or 2B 100% or 3A or 3B only. Dear students, you are not supposed to write 2B from here and 3A. That is not said to be the valid answer for evaluation. And certain short questions like aprons, hanger, orientation of runway may be the short question. Have not highlighted any short questions like here. You are supposed to be thorough with all the long questions so that you could able to work out even the short question. Dear students, have uploaded a video on how to score better marks in the short questions and how many pages to be written. That was there in my channel. Please go through and watch it. Later I have come up with the unit 2. It is all about the concept of coning of wheels. Sleeper density calculation may be the topmost question this time, which may occur in 4A or 4B. Draw the cross-section features of permanent way and the functional view of each component is said to be the topmost question, where I am highlighting you are supposed to work out each and every parameter. Dear students, later 5A, 5B may be the material characterization of permanent way from physical or engineering and chemical perspective is said to be the topmost and gunshot question. Rail transportation in urban areas along with the different nomenclature is said to be the very important question this time. Sleepers along with the functions and the features and they define the terms and refine their features and functions of LRT, monorail, MRTS and metro rail may be the short and long question this time in form of 2 and 3. Another short question I can give you is the rails and the types and the features and the gauges concept may be also one of the short question this time. Ballastless tracks, creeps, kicks, king, steeper and the subgrade and embankment is said to be the short question. You are not supposed to skip any part of the questions here. It's because the question paper pattern is too lengthy in its structure. It is all about the 15 mark. They may be covering any part of the syllabus. That's the reason I've taken into many points here. You're supposed to work out each and every part so that you could be able to get 15 out of 15 mark without skipping any parameter where I'm highlighting. Later the unit 3 you can go. A student who is looking to just pass can go with unit 3. Later I'm going to tell you which unit you are supposed to work out. Develop equation form for a super elevation from first principle is said to be the topmost question. Horizontal and vertical curves are said to be the very important question related to computation form. You are going to get in form of the 6th and the 7th question is from the unit 3 and the transition curves and the dimension. Widening of gauges in curves may be the short question. Next, the long question is all about transition curves in railways. Geometric and planning layout is said to be the topmost question, which may occur in 7th question. Gradient sensitized in rails and the types and the features and need of grade compensation may be the short question. Dear students, you are supposed to write, if you are working for the theory paper, do not forget to write in bulletin points and write in 2 sets of pens, blue and black only, and draw all the diagrams in pencil and label them very neatly to score better mark, as this is said to be the 4th semester, the final exams for you all and the last exams. If your percentage is increasing in these courses, the overall aggregate may be increased. So the later I have come up with the 9th and the 10th, the 8th and 10th question in your question paper. It's 8th and 9th question related to the question paper related to unit 4. Features of points and crossing is said to be the topmost question. Draw the planning and geometric layout of station and yards is said to be the done short question this time. tracking circuit and maintenance of the tracks and the station yards is said to be the short question here. Conceptual and operational plan for railway station and yards and the turnouts may be the short question. Level crossing may be the short question, and signaling and interlocking may be one of the long or short question. These are said to be the very important questions for the course. Airport, railway and the waterway have not taken into consideration unit 5, and the students who are looking to get out of outmark can go with unit 5 also, dear students. And the students who are looking to just pass this course, first go with the unit 3, later you go with the unit 4, and later unit 1. These 3 units, if you are going to be perfect, you are going to get out of outmark. And student just for the medium average student can go even with the second unit, and the student who is looking to score out of outmark need to go even with the unit 5 also, dear students. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it immediately by pressing a bell icon so that you could able to receive the latest notification. And I am going to upload few important questions related to the other courses of the supplementary exam. If you are looking for that, please do not forget to comment as well as share this with your friends. I am going to work out for you on how to crack the interview, and the tips will be given to you in how to work out the interview in the coming days to go. This is your Jntuh R18 signing off for today. Do not forget to subscribe. Good luck and God bless you all, dear students. Thank you.